Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 3 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We start with the chapter unit of measurement. The lessons we're going to cover today are compare and convert metric units of length, which metric unit is appropriate, which customary unit of volume is appropriate, which customary unit is appropriate, compare and convert customary units of length. So let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, here I am on grade 3 math. The lesson we're going to start with is unit of measurement. And here is the first lesson we need to start with compare and convert metric units of length. Okay, so let's just start with the first example. Which is more, 745 millimeters or 1 meter? So basically you have to compare 745 millimeter and 1 meter. So millimeter and meter are different units. First you have to look at the relationship between these two units. They are very basic unit. You have to note them down and remember them. You know that 1 meter equal 1000 millimeters. Millimeter is smaller unit and meter is a bigger unit. So you are given the question, you have to compare 745 millimeter and 1 meter. You have to see which is more. So you can see here you have 745, and whenever you are going to compare units, you have to write them in the same unit. Like, you can't compare millimeter and meter, so you have to convert this meter to millimeter. So it would be 1000 millimeter. So which is more, 745 or 1000? Obviously 1000 is more. That means 1 meter is more than 745 meter, right? 1 meter is more than 745 millimeter, right? So the correct option is 1 meter. So basically the basic thing is the relationship between the two different units, right? Okay, the next one is which is more, 100 centimeter equal 100 centimeter or 1 meter? So now you have to look at the relationship between the units meter and cent, right? So you have 100 centimeter and 1 meter. So meter is a bigger unit, centimeter is smaller. That means in 1 meter you have 100 centimeters. You can note them down and remember them. Okay, 1 meter equal 100 meters. So now you are going to compare, convert them to same. 1 meter equal 100 centimeters. So they are exactly equal. That means 100 centimeter or 1 meter are exactly equal, right? Okay, the next one is which is more, 48 or 1 meter? So we just did 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So obviously 100 centimeter is more than 48 centimeters. Got it? That means 1 meter is more than 48 centimeter. Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, 1 kilometer equal how many meters? This is again a basic unit. You can note them down and memorize them. So 1 kilometer means you have 1000 meters. Sorry, 100 kilometers. In 1 kilometer, you have 100 meters. The correct option is 100 meters. Oh yeah, not 100, that is 1000. So 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters. So the correct option is 1000. 1 kilometer, kilo means whenever you have a kilo involved, that means 1000. Sorry, I forgot. Okay, which is more, 1 centimeter or 7 millimeter? Which is the correct option? You have to convert from centimeters to millimeter. So, which is the correct option? 1 centimeter equals 100. 1 centimeter equals 100 millimeters. You can note that this down. 1 centimeter equals 100 sorry, 100 not 10. Centimeter to millimeter. So 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeter. You have to compare 7 millimeter and 1 centimeter. So it would be 7 millimeter and 10 millimeters. So which is more? Centimeter is more, right? So the correct option is 1 centimeter. Very good. Okay, which is more, 1 kilometer or 1000 meters? Which is the correct option? Which is more, 1 kilometer or 1000 meters? We just did 1 kilometer equals 1000 meter, right? So that means they both are exactly, because in 1 kilometer you have 1000 meters. The correct option is they are exactly equal, because in 1 kilometer you have 1000 meters. Okay, the next one is, which is more, 48 centimeters or 1 meter? So which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 meter, because in 1 meter you have 100 centimeters, right? So the correct option is 1 meter. 1 meter is greater than 48 centimeters, because in 1 meter you have 100 centimeters. Very good. Which 1 kilometer or 883 meters? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 kilometer is greater than 883 meters, right? Because in 1 kilometer you have 1000 meters. So 1 kilometer is more than 883 meters. Very good. The correct option is 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer equal how many meters? 1 kilometer equal 1000 meters. The correct option is 1000 meters. Okay, which is more, 745 millimeter or 1 meter? Which is the correct option? correct option is 1 meter because in 1 meter you have 1000 millimeters, right? So 1000 millimeters is greater than 745. Okay, which is more, 100 centimeter or 1 meter, which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. They both are exactly equal. 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. They are exactly equal. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself. Read it. Let me just move on to lesson. And the next lesson is which metric unit is appropriate. Okay, which is the better. Okay, you're not given with the options here, so let's start with the test questions. Okay, which is a better estimate for the length of a pen? 12 meter or 12 centimeter, which is the option? The correct option is 12 centimeter because 12 meter is bigger for the too bigger for the length of a pen, right? Very good. The correct option is 12 centimeter. No, no, 12 centimeter it is, not meter. Which is the better estimate for the distance of a 10-minute walk? 1 kilometer or 1 centimeter, which is the correct option? The better estimate is 1 kilometer. 1 centimeter is too small for a 10 kilometer walk, right? So it is 1 kilometer. The correct option is 1 kilometer. Which is better estimate for the length of a jump rope? The 3 meters or 3 kilometers, which is the correct option? The correct option is 3 meters because 3 kilometers is much bigger for a jump rope, right? Very good. The correct option is 3 meters. Okay, the next one is which is the better estimate for the weight of a picnic table? 19 grams, 19 kilograms, which is the correct option? The correct option is 19 kilograms because 19 grams is too less for the weight of a table. So it would be 19 kilograms, right? Which is a better estimate for the weight of a pumpkin, 4 ounces or 4 kilograms? Yes, it is 19 kilograms. You're right. Okay, which is a better estimate for the weight of a pumpkin? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 4 ounces. 4 kilograms for a pumpkin is too much. That is just 4 ounces, right? The correct option is, oh, for a pumpkin it is 4 kilogram. But I think for a pumpkin 4 kilograms is much greater than, isn't it? Again, a pumpkin, which is a better estimate for the weight of a pumpkin. 9 kilograms, 9 grams. 9 kilograms is less than, much less than. Yes, then same is the case for ounces. Yes, you're right, it is 9 kilograms, not grams. Got it? Which is a better estimate for the length of an almond, 20 millimeters or 20 centimeters, which is the correct option? The correct option is 20 centimeter because for an almond 20 millimeter, 20 millimeter is too small. Yes, I think it is 20 millimeter, not 20 centimeter. Yes, it is 20 millimeter because 20 centimeter is too much for an almond. Which is a better estimate for a piece of gum? 6 grams, 6 kilograms, which is the correct option? Piece of a gum. It would be, I think it is 6 grams, maybe. Let's see. Okay, good. Which is a better estimate for the volume of a fish bowl? 3 millimeters or 3 liters, which is the correct option? The correct option is 3 liters because for a fish bowl, 3 millimeters is very small. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a light bulb, 35 kilograms or 35 grams, which is the correct option? For a bulb, 35 kilograms is much greater, so that would be 35 grams. The correct option is 35 grams. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just start with the next lesson. The next lesson is which customary unit is which customary unit of volume is appropriate. Let's just start with the next lesson. Which is a better estimate for the volume of an orange juice carton? That is 7 cups and gallons. So you are not given with the options here. Let's just start with the test questions. Which is better estimate for the volume of a baby bottle? 9 gallons, 9 fluid ounces, which is the correct option? The correct option is 9 fluid ounces, because 9 gallons is much bigger for a baby bottle, right? So the correct option is 9 fluid ounces. Which is better estimate for the volume of an orange juice carton? 7 cups or 7 gallons, which is the correct option? The correct option is carton of an orange juice. So it would be 7 gallons is much more for the carton. That would be 7 cups. Very good. Okay, the next one is which is the better estimate for the volume of a can of tomato juice? 43 teaspoons or 43 quarts, which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Can of a tomato juice. So I think it would be 43 teaspoons, because quarts is much bigger for a can of a tomato juice. That would be, but okay, let's see. Okay, yes, it is 43 teaspoons. Okay, which is a better estimate for the volume of a plastic shopping bag? 3 quarts, 3 fluid ounces. correct option is for a plastic shopping bag, that would be 3 quarts. Okay. Which is a better estimate for the volume of a bathroom sink? 1 gallon, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon is very less for a volume of a bathroom sink. That would be 1 gallon. So the correct option is 1 gallon. Which is a better estimate for the volume of a sour cream container? 8 pints, 8 fluid ounces. Which is the correct option? The correct option is for a sour cream container, it would be 8 pence because fluid ounces is much less for a container. It would be 8 pence. Very good. 8 fluid ounces is a better estimate because 8 pence is too much, right? So the correct option is 8 fluid ounces, not 8 pence. Okay, which is a better estimate for the volume of a shoe box? 10 pence or 10 tablespoons? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 10 pence because 10 tablespoon is too less for a shoe box, right? So that would be 10 pence. Okay, which is a better estimate for the volume of a plastic cup? 17 tablespoons or 10 pence? Which is the correct option? The correct option is for a plastic cup, it would be 10 pence because 17 tablespoon is much less for a cup, right? So it would be 17 pence. 10 pence, sorry, not 17 tablespoons. Okay, pence is too much for a cup. It would be 10, 17 tablespoons. Okay, which is a better estimate for the volume of a salad dressing bottle? 15 teaspoons or 15 cup? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 50 teaspoons because for a bottle 50 cups is much more, so that would be just 50 teaspoons, right? Okay, the next one is which is a better estimate for the volume of a conditioner bottle? 3 cups, 3 tablespoons? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 3 cups because 3 tablespoons is much less for a conditioner bottle, so it would be 3 cups. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just start with the next lesson. The next lesson is which customary unit is appropriate. Okay, you're not given with the options here. Let's just start with the test question. Which is better estimate for the volume of a bowl of cup 15 pints, 15 fluid ounces? Which is the correct option? For a bowl of soup, 15 pints is much more. Got it? Pints is much bigger unit than fluid ounces because in one pint you have 16 fluid ounces, right? So the correct option is 15 fluid ounces because a bowl of a soup just have 15 fluid ounces. Pints is much bigger than fluid ounces, right? Okay, which is the better estimate for the volume of a bathroom sink? 3 fluid ounces or 3 quarts, which is the correct option? The correct option is for a bathroom sink, it would be 3 quarts. Got it? Because for a bathroom sink, 3 fluid ounces is much less, it would be 3 quart. Very good. Okay, the next one is which is the better estimate for the volume of a large trash can, 34 gallons or 34 fluid ounces, which is the correct option? The correct option is for a trash can, it would be 34 gallons. The correct option is 34 gallons. Yes, it is 34 gallons. You're right. Which is the better estimate for the volume of a juice box? 42 teaspoons or 42 pints? Which is the correct option? The correct option is for a juice box, it would be 42 pence because 42 teaspoons is much less, but 42 pence is much more. For a box, that would be 42 teaspoons. Yes, you're right. Okay, the next one is which is a better estimate for the volume of a mustard bottle 17 tablespoons or 17 gallons, which is the correct option, which is the better estimate for the volume of a mustard bottle, that would be 17 tablespoons. That is just a bottle. So 17 gallons is much more, right? That would be 17 tablespoons. Okay, which is better estimate for the volume of a kitchen sink, which is the correct option, which is better estimate for the volume of a kitchen sink, which is the correct option. For a kitchen sink, 48 tablespoons is much less, so that would be 48 cups. Which is better estimate for the length of a snowboard, 5 feet 5 yards. The correct option is 5 feet because for a snowboard, 5 yards is much bigger. That would be 5 feet. Okay, the next one is which is the better estimate for a weight of which is the better estimate for the height of a door, 3 inch 3 yards, which is the correct option. The correct option is 3 inch is very less for a door, height of a door, but 3. Yes, maybe it is 3 inches. It depends on the what type of door it is. Yes, let's see. It is 3 yards because 3 inches too short, right? So the correct option is 3 yard. Okay, got it. Okay, we are done with the lesson. You can complete the rest of the practice questions by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 3 math. Chapter we're working on is unit of measurement, and lessons we have covered today are compare and convert metric units of length, which metric unit is appropriate, which customary unit of volume is appropriate, which customary unit is appropriate, and the last one we're going to do it in the next session, right? Because we don't have time to do this today. Yes, maybe. Okay, you can complete the rest of the questions by yourself later today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? If you have any question, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.